Let's start by going ahead and clicking on marketing here in the left-hand sidebar. And this will bring us to the social planner tab within the marketing section. Now this will prompt us to connect at least 2 social accounts to start with. And this can be Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. To do so, go ahead and click on either of the social media accounts that you want to connect. This will open up a new tab, and then it will ask you and prompt you to follow that platform's integration process to successfully connect your profiles to the software. So for Facebook, for example, it'll open up a new tab. Go ahead and click on continue, and this will start the process of connecting your Facebook account to the software. Please bear in mind that Facebook integration will also integrate Instagram, as they are part of the same company, as well as Google My Business and YouTube will also connect if you connect either one or the other. If you'd also like to connect LinkedIn, X, TikTok, Pinterest, exact same process. Just click on the platform you'd like to connect, and it'll ask you to sign in and follow that platform's integration. So that is how you connect your social media accounts to start scheduling and posting social media posts straight from the platform. Now, if you want to start receiving conversations and leads from those platforms, there's a slightly different route that we need to take to ensure that we're getting all 3 of those integrations coming into the software. To do this, go ahead and click on the settings tab here in the bottom left corner, and then go ahead and click on integrations again in the left-hand sidebar. This will now open up the integration settings where we can start integrating our social media accounts. And this will allow us to start receiving SMS, DMs, as well as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google My Business, TikTok leads from our social media accounts into the platform and organize them accordingly. So to start integrating platforms, it's very similar to the social planner method. To start integrating a platform such as Facebook and Instagram, for example, go ahead and click on connect, and this will reopen a new tab within the Facebook platform, and it'll ask you to start following Facebook's process on how to integrate successfully platforms into the software. So go ahead and follow the instructions there, and this will begin to successfully integrate the platform into your account. Same thing with Google. You want to start the integration as well as sign in with your Google account. TikTok, you can connect your account here. LinkedIn, you can connect your account down below, and you can also connect your Stripe, Shopify, QuickBooks, Shippo, Slack, Printful, and Clio account within here as well. So after you've connected all of these integrations and you've set up your social planner, your account is now set up to start sending and scheduling social media posts to your profiles within the platform, sending and receiving social media DMs within the conversations tab of the platform, and also receiving and managing social media leads and organize them accordingly within the platform.